Hey, my name's Mike Chrisman. I am here to train all of the maintenance staff on how to operate a forklift safely and efficiently. This particular forklift is it's a PL Stage 4 class forklift, and it's a pretty small one. It only can handle a load of about 2 tons. And so they got to be really careful about turning and stuff because it has a very low center of gravity. So this training is very critical to their mission. This course is important to me because it incorporates all the safety aspects that a National Park Service employee needs to continue and do their job properly.
This training is very beneficial to me because around the park we will be using a forklift to lift things.
With this training, I feel like it gave me a refresher and gave me a better sense to handle it better.
The MALU staff was fantastic. They listened to everything that I did and they all passed.